So let's go through the simple question. Following table states annual consumption of various items of inventories of company. Work out UOQ for each item based on the basis of rupees 150 as a purchasing cost per order and inventory carrying cost at 30% and unit value is rupee 1. So A is 80,000, that is your annual consumption. Your P is 150, U is 1 rupee, and carry cost is 30%, that is 30 divided by 100. So if you equate this, is 2 into 80,000 into 150 divided by 1 into 30 divided by 100, that is 30%, and it comes out to be 8944. Now if you divide 80,000 by 894, it almost comes out to be 9 times. That means in a year we will have to place it 9 times, or every 6th week we will have to place it 1. Second simple question. When carrying cost is not given in percentage, but it is given as an annual carrying cost. So let's see this problem. A company is determining its frequency of orders for an electrical switch. Each product costs 20 rupees. The annual carrying cost is 400 and the cost per order is 15 rupees. The company expects to sell 50 units of electrical switch each month. It has also decided to maintain an average inventory level of 40 units. Find U. So annual usage unit 50 units per month, that is into 12 comes out to be 600 units annually. Your ordering cost per order is 15 rupees and average inventory into carrying cost per unit, that is 400 is the total carrying cost annually. Therefore, handling cost per unit is 400 divided by 40, that is rupees 10 per unit. Now if we equate this, the square root of 2 into 600 multiplied by 15 divided by 10, which comes out to be 42 units after rounding off. So number of orders per year is equal to 600 units divided by 42, that is 42.29 or 14 orders to round it up. Let's take the third sample question. When annual holding cost per unit is given. Metro runs a mail order business for washing machine. Annual demand for a washing machine is 16,000 and the annual holding cost per unit is 2.5 and the cost to place an order is 50. So what is your? A is equal to 16,000, P is equal to 50, U is not given and H is 2.5. Now if we equate this, that is 2 into 600 into 50 divided by H, that is 2.50, it comes out to be 800 units after rounding off. Look at the another simple question. When inventory cost not specified directly, a manufacturer of control panel spends 34,000 per annum on purchasing activity. Rupees 67,200 are spent each year in maintaining inventory. Rupees 4.2 lakhs expenses referred above are only the variable portion of the total expenses. Around 850 orders are placed every year to replenish stock of the various items. One of the items whose annual consumption is 9,600 pieces is bought by the company at the rate of rupees 30 each. The company has entered into an annual contract with the supplier of the item based on staggered delivery. How much frequently should the company receive the staggered delivery? In what quantities? So now we have A, that is 9,600 units. P is 34,000 divided by 850. That comes out to be 40. U is 30, that is the cost. And carrying cost is 37,200 divided by 4,20,000. That comes out to be 0.16.